Alright, Joe JV Sports Cards here. We're going to do the randoms. There's 2 randoms for PYT number 3, Cooperstown. 2 randoms. First one was the umpire autograph. All teams in 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Goes to the Tigers. Tigers get the umpire auto. And the duel was a nice duel. Braves and Yankees. It is Tom Glavine and Joe Torre, 5 of 5. Good luck, guys. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Good luck. Team on top. 7. Braves. Rudical just lets me know I think he has both teams. Let's see what are the chances. Goes to Braves. Thanks again, guys.